Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can split PDF file into separate files. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if you go on my desktop, I have this sample PDF which I will open it for you. Now as you can see, it has opened and it has like 30 pages in it. If we keep scrolling forward, it has 30 pages. Now I will go ahead and close this. All you have to do is you have to go to this website ilovepdf.com. I will leave a link in the description and you have to click on split PDF and you need to select the PDF file over here. So I will go on desktop and select the sample PDF over here. And then let's say if you want only the first 10 pages, so I will type the range from page 1 to page 10. So as you can see, it is pre-populated now and I will simply go and split PDF. Now I will go ahead and download this PDF over here and I will open it. Now as you can see it has only 10 pages. So you can make as many files as you want, like you can make 30 separate files if it's a 30 page PDF file, or you can split it into groups like a group of 5, then there will be 6 files in total. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.